Raymart Santiago at Claudine Barreto nagkaproblema sa kanilang anak at posibleng maapektuhan ang annulment nila. Sa panayam ni Karen Davila sa kanyang blog, naitanong kay Claudine Barreto ang mga natutunan niya sa kanyang pagpapakasal noon kay Raymart Santiago. Aniya, hanggang ngayon daw ay patuloy pa rin ang kanyang struggles. Katunayan, buong akala raw niya ay magiging okay na sila ng aktor dahil nag-uusap na sila ng estranged husband na kabaligtaran daw sa nararanasan niya. Oh my God, I'm still learning. It's a process. It's been going on for years and years of so much pain and betrayal, aniya. My life was just parang, I wasn't living, I was just existing, dugtong niya. Sa ngayon, hindi pa rin daw sila annulled pero pinag-uusapan na nila ito. Gayunpaman, tila mauudlot na naman daw ito dahil sa problema niya kay Raymart. We're going through the process now of annulment. Everything was okay na. We would talk and all, then I don't know, for some reason, he started being not a good father again. He was trying before paliwanag niya. Dagdag pa niya, kung dati-rati raw ay bumibisita si Raymart sa kanilang anak na si Santino, ngayon daw ay wala na itong paramdam. Anytime or any day that he wants to see the children, even nung bata pa sila, okay lang, alam niya yun. Actually, we even told the judge that and the mediator, say niya. That's why I don't understand why he is trying to get custody of my children up to now, pahabol niya. Umamin din siyang nagkaroon ng depression, anxiety disorder at post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, pagkatapos ng kanyang pakikipaghiwalay sa aktor. We all know what happened sa amin ni Raymart, that he withdrew all the money and financially, I was really struggling. Yun yung nilalaban ko ngayon ulit, to get back my money. Pinaghirapan ko yun, since I was 13 years old, giit niya. Sa nasabing panayam, muli niyang sinabi na wala na siyang balak na muling patali o pakasal at hindi siya nakipag-date kaninuman sa loob ng 11 taon. Bukas ang panig ni Raymart sa mga pahayag ni Claudine. Kung mga ka-cheka anong masasabi nyo tungkol dito mag-comment lang sa baba and don't forget to subscribe.